If you've ever dreamt of turning your spare time into spare cash, you're in the right place. We're diving into the exhilarating world of making money online without breaking the bank. We're talking side hustles, creative gigs, and a whole lot of dough. And the best part, you don't need to invest a single penny. Intrigued? Well, you should be. Number 1. Become a virtual assistant. Are you the master of organization? Do you plan like it's an Olympic sport? Well, my friend, becoming a virtual assistant is your golden ticket to online moolah. Imagine getting paid to boss around social media, tackle emails, and chat on the phone, all from the comfort of your pages. Where do you sign up for this dream job, you ask? Platforms like Upwork, Indeed, and virtual assistant jobs are your backstage pass. And guess what? With solo entrepreneurs on the rise, the demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing. You could be the hero someone's business needs. Oh, did I mention you could be pocketing around $27.09 per hour? Number 2. Transcribe audio and video files. Now AI is cool and all, but when it comes to turning speech into text, they're not quite the wordsmiths we need. That's where you'd swoop in. Imagine turning audio and video gems into written gold. It's like being the secret agent of transcription. And guess what? You don't need a degree in techno-wizardry or any upfront investment. Imagine having the flexibility to work part-time with Rev or freelancing on projects that tickle your fancy. You're the captain of your ship, setting sail whenever you please. The best part? All you need is your trusty computer speakers. No fancy equipment required. But hold up, Speed Racer. To be the transcription MVP, you've got to sharpen those typing skills. We're talking error-free, crystal clear text that leaves clients doing cartwheels. Start practicing on short audio files, and you'll be ready to conquer the transcription world. Number 3. Set up a Patreon. So you're a content creator, and you're wondering, how the heck do I make money online without shelling out a dime? Well, enter stage left. Patreon, the ultimate fan-funded playground. Imagine your content is so fire that your fans are itching to support you every month. Welcome to the Patreon party. It's like having your own virtual cheering squad. You create videos, podcasts, or beats, and your superfans subscribe to be your VIP backers. But here's the kicker. It's not just about them throwing money at you. You gotta make it worth their while. Think about it. What if your followers could be part of your creative process or get exclusive, behind-the-scenes content? Patreon is the backstage pass to your content universe, and it won't cost you a dime to sign up. They only take a tiny slice when the dollars start rolling in. Now that's a deal sweeter than a backstage Delmex stash. Number 4. Review websites and apps. Guess what? You can turn reviewing websites and apps into some sweet moolah. So here's the deal. Companies out there are practically throwing money and freebies at folks like us just to get our opinions on their websites. Imagine getting paid and snagging cool products just for sharing your thoughts. It's like being a VIP critic without the fancy hat. Now it's not just about browsing. You're the Sherlock Holmes of the internet, examining how websites function and checking if they load faster than a superhero in a hurry. And guess what? The more effort you put in, the more cha-ching lands in your pocket. Ever heard of user testing? It's your golden ticket for app, website, and user experience testing. Or how about Try Me UI? They're all about first impressions and survey-based testing. And don't even get me started on testbirds. They're into testing digital goodies, online stores, and mobile apps. But here's the real kicker. No sign-up fees. Yep, you heard it right. You can dive into the world of website reviewing and start raking in the cash without spending a single penny. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your detective hat, join these cool companies, and let the money-making adventure begin. Who knew making money online could be this awesome? And dare I say easy. Number 5. Participate in focus groups. Ready to turn your opinions into cash? Imagine yourself getting paid a cool $50 per hour or more just for sharing your thoughts. How? Well, it's all about joining the cool club of focus groups. Ever wondered how your ideas about products, brands, or even your brilliant thoughts on life could make you some serious bucks? Get this. You're not just a participant. You're the VIP in this game. Picture this. Comfy chair, a snack on the side, and some serious cash flowing into your wallet. Brands want to know what you think, and they're willing to dish out the big bucks for it. Whether you're a fan of in-person gatherings or prefer the online vibe, these focus groups are the real deal. And guess what? Joining is usually free. Yes, you heard it right. Now, where's the party at? Check out hotspots like user interviews, respondent, L&E research, 2020 its panel, and take part in research. These places aren't just about discussions. They're about turning your ideas into dollar bills. And get this, you won't be alone in this adventure. There's a moderator to keep the party rolling, jot down the juicy bits, and make sure you're having a blast. If it's an online shindig, you can kick back and share your genius through video software on your trusty smartphone, tablet, or computer. Number 6. Become an online travel agent. Ever wondered if you could actually get paid to plan epic vacations for others? Guess what? You totally can. Picture this. You chilling at home, sipping on your favorite drink, and making money by being a virtual travel guru. Sounds like a dream, right? So, how does it work? Simple. You don't need a fancy degree or a superhero cape. All you need are killer research and organizational skills. Imagine being the go-to person for planning the coolest trips without breaking the bank. Your friends would love you even more. Think about it. People are drowning in the sea of travel logistics. Connecting flights, accommodations, sightseeing. It's like trying to solve a puzzle blindfolded. That's where you come in. You're the unsung hero, making their travel dreams a reality. And here's the best part. You can team up with awesome companies to snag killer discounts for your clients. Who doesn't love a good deal, right? So if you've got the passion for travel and a knack for making things happen, becoming an online travel agent might just be your ticket to online money-making bliss. No certifications needed, just your awesome self and the desire to help others have the trip a lifetime. Number 7. Sell photos online. Love capturing those picture-perfect moments? Why not turn your passion into a money-making machine? Imagine getting paid every time someone falls in love with your snapshots. Cha-ching. Whether it's your cat's funny antics or breathtaking landscapes, those photos on your hard drive could be your ticket to online moolah. Now where's the magic happening? Well, there are these fantastic platforms like Burst, Shutterstock, Alamy, and Stock that are practically begging for your unique shots. You're not just making money, you're creating a visual feast for the world. Plus, the more you build a killer collection around a specific theme, the more cha-ching in your bank account. And get this, every pic you upload has the potential to be a repeat money spinner. It's like having a side hustle that keeps on giving. So spice up those pixels, and let's turn your photo passion into a cash celebration. Number 8. Offer social media consultancy. Alright, you got the skills. You're the maestro of Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. But did you know you can turn those thumb-stopping abilities into serious cash flow? Yes, my friend, welcome to the world of social media consultancy, where your talents are like gold. Picture this. Brands knocking on your virtual door, wanting a piece of your creative brilliance to boost their online presence. You're the go-to person for brainstorming cool ideas, creating killer videos, and basically making brands look like rock stars on social media. The best part? You don't need a fancy office or a suit, just your online swagger. Your social media profiles become your golden portfolio. It's like saying, "Hey, world, check out what I can do." And to kick it up a notch, spread the word in digital marketing groups and forums. Oh, and don't forget to slide a link to your portfolio in those outreach emails to agencies. It's like leaving a trail of breadcrumbs to your digital success. Need a little inspo? Meet Lucas O'Keefe. He kicked off his journey with a viral TikTok video and turned it into a booming consulting business, helping brands slay on social media. Now, if that doesn't scream awesome, I don't know what does. If you enjoyed today's video and found some golden nuggets of wisdom, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe for more wealth-building content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a money-making moment.